This is not our street, but if this was our street, I've never filmed it before, and we'd be walking down this way, kind of down all these little industrial stuff. And it's kind of interesting because there's a university right here, Macau University of Science and Technology, that we're not going to walk down because we're just going to show it from this angle right here. But strangely, that's in here. Those are cement factories. They go right up to the water, so there's ships that come in and drop off the cement there. Lots of things like that. But that is not our street. That's our street down that way. We're going to be walking past the One Oasis buildings and also the Hotel 13, this red one that's all the way down that way. And we'll kind of do a different angle. But this is another street that's not our street, and I've never filmed it before either, which is this one, which would be on this side, which would also have the Must University campus, and then also would have this Generations International School. So kind of interesting. But we're gonna walk along One Oasis, and we're gonna go down that way, so stay tuned. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Should I include this one? If I walk it, would just be kind of an industrial. But anyways, we're going to be walking the other way. So we're going to walk along One Oasis, and then there's going to be Hotel 13, which is kind of interesting. And our street is going to, there's a street sign right there for our street. But it's kind of a good street to film because for one, I haven't filmed it before. And this is kind of a major location for One Oasis. I just saw a really cool motorcycle, but I didn't move the camera in time to capture it. A lot of expats live over here. So this is actually our street. Pagoda trees. The street of the pagoda trees. Are there a lot of pagoda trees here? Not really. Those pagoda trees? If they are, they're really small. So this is actually named the street of the pagoda trees. What a strange name. It's also where One Oasis is at. One Oasis is basically a really popular place for expats. They got very big apartments, and it's pretty well located. It's good for families, basically. So single expats maybe no, but expats with kids, they like this a lot. Basically you have really large windows, big apartments, and the price is pretty good too for what you get. It's great price for what you get. The quality is pretty high. I've been inside them before, and they do look really impressive. They're really nice. Straight ahead is Hotel 13, this red one, which is kind of strange because this one is kind of how do you say it, defunct, I think. It's basically not in use anymore, but the COVID era kind of killed the Hotel 13, that big red hotel straight ahead. So that one used to be one of the most expensive hotels, and it was very kind of well known. I've heard people still talk about it, and then for some reason it went out of business, and it was around COVID, and basically COVID just kind of killed a lot of stuff around here. But on the plus side is a lot of things are coming back. I mean, they're not coming back. What's gone is gone, but new things are coming up in its place. But I don't know what they're going to do with that particular building. It's abandoned, and it's kind of a mystery to me. But that's inside the One Oasis, right over there. Morena Flower Street. It's a nice name for a street. So if we were going to film into One Oasis, we'd probably walk down that street. But instead what we're going to do is we're gonna stay faithful to our street. Way in the background you can see Studio City on the other side of these factories, and there's actually Galaxy Casino over there as well. So it's not it's an interesting location because you have one Oasis, which is really nice apartments, and then Praya Park is another set of apartments, and I heard that that's also popular with the same people that would come here, but that would be a little bit lower priced. And then in between the two is this big red Hotel 13. And then right around the corner we have this thing called you can see one of the places called One Oasis Lounge, but there's some grocery store, nightlife, stuff like that. So let me and then I think that this one on the corner, that one I think is like a 2-story bar restaurant, and that would be lively in the evening, but maybe not so lively at the moment. So there's Hotel 13, which also shares the same little area. And I think this is a veranda car park. So I think that this is highlighted by this little outdoor place that you can drink and eat at, and it's called Bottles. And then in the evening this will be all lit up and quite busy in here. It's kind of a cool thing right there. Bottles. It's like a little tile. It's like a nice little tile thing. So the taste. So we're going to go back to our target street, which is straight ahead. It's called the street of the Pagoda Streets. Pagoda trees. Are those pagoda trees? Might be. There's our 13. And they got security here too. I don't know what happened to it. I don't know if maybe I should ask. Huh. Hello. Is this Hotel 13?
Yes.
But it's no more, right?
It's no more.
Oh.
Yeah, it's closed. I don't know. I have no idea.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. It was supposed to be a really nice hotel, right?
Yeah, yeah. It's
But it
very
just
nice.
but during COVID it closed during COVID?
It closed during COVID.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. So I guess it's closed during COVID, and yeah, it's a really nice hotel, so I'm just gonna take a look at it real quick. So yeah, they would have had that nice veranda right there, this little thing, and then one Oasis as well, and then overlook kind of a little factory area. So let's just walk over this way, and then we're gonna come to an ending for our video. Yeah, in front of the Hotel 13, a lot of trash. It's kind of unfortunate. Okay, so now we're out on this kind of main street. It's like it's making, birds are making it a home. Okay, so that was our target street down that way. So that was the Pagoda Trees Street. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.